So firstly, I'm going to take a mixing bowl and add in rice flour, some maida, besan flour, desiccated coconut, salt, red chilli powder, pinch of asafoetida, few CAROM seeds, and I'm going to first mix all these dry ingredients well. Then I'm going to add in hot oil. Initially mix with a fork. Once the heat is bearable, go ahead and mix with your hands like this. Now add in water gradually, just enough to make a dough. Okay. So get the dough together like this, knead it very well. Okay, allow this to rest for 5 minutes. Now on a rolling platform, I'm going to take in just a small bit of the dough like this and roll it elongated. As you can see, it needs to be ½ inch thick and about 4 to 5 inch long. Okay, after you do this, I'm going to zoom in and show you. You need to pinch the ends like that and then secure them together like this. Okay, again pinch both the ends together. So this is the shape of the Kodbale. Okay, so repeat this same for the entire dough and keep them aside. See, like this. Now in a kadai on medium flame, once the oil is very hot, I'm going to drop in these rings into the very hot oil. Just stir them once to make sure that they are not sticking to each other nor at the bottom. So now you can see initially that there is a lot of bubbles around them. So allow them to cook like this. Okay. So once you can see that the bubbles have reduced a bit, turn the flame to low and further cook them until they turn brown color like this. So once they turn brown color, remove them from the oil, drain the excess oil out and place them on the paper, tissue paper on a plate. So repeat the same process for the entire dough and your Kodbale is ready to be served. It's a yummy evening snack recipe. I'll show you how crispy this is. So how the texture needs to be is that they need to be crispy. Okay. So your Kodbale is ready and it can be had with coffee, tea, or even with your main course like rice or anything. Okay, so make sure to give my video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.